Ready to unlock the full power of DeFi right from your phone? First, head to the Google Play Store, search for Kiwi Browser, and install it. This browser lets us add Chrome extensions on mobile, which is key. Once Kiwi Browser is installed, open it and search for Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. Find the official Phantom Wallet extension in the Chrome Web Store. It's crucial to make sure it's the legitimate Phantom extension to avoid scams. Click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to add the extension. Tap Add Extension. The Phantom Wallet setup page will automatically open. Now you can either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase. Be sure to store your seed phrase securely. You should be able to select the 3 dots in the bottom right corner to show you all your opened extension. Now you're ready to use Phantom Wallet to connect to your favorite Solana dApps directly within Kiwi Browser. Explore, trade, and manage your assets on the go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome crypto tutorials.